So how did the 17 and 22-year-old combo thought to do a business?
I've prepared entire life for this round.
Hi, welcome Nikita to Gujpreneur.
Which मेरा naturally आता है.
मारो ऐसे.
Okay, I'll do that. भाई वो इतना फोटो आती है कि उसने कंपनी का चैट जीपीटी बना दिया. The advice that I would give to the next generation is, although I couldn't come up with anything in that except
On Gujpreneur, the old style will always make you win. If you look into the depth, the core remains same.
100%.
The format can be changed.
100%. Feminism is not about narebazi,
True.
right? It is not about going out and shouting. Feminism is the change that you do on the ground.
All are good. Pause कर दे. Red button. आकर red plus. ऊपर में भी ऊपर दबाए. आवड़े चला. Yeah. Very nice.
खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा रुक कर खुद से पूछे कि क्या है रज़ा तेरी.
Welcome to Gujpreneur, where we celebrate the true spirit of Gujarati entrepreneurship. Today's guest is a true example of never giving up attitude. She is the one who started something in very interesting industry called tilebazaar.com અને એ ચલાવતા એમાં પડેલા પ્રોબ્લેમ્સથી એક નવા ધંધાનો જન્મ થયો which is તત્કાલ લોરી પ્રાઇવેટ લિમિટેડ. She is the one who is a national and state award winner. She's also been nominated in top 50 inspiring women of Gujarat. I'm talking about Nikita Maheshwari, the lady who got the chance and opportunity to talk with Narendra Modi to discuss about the innovation in transport industry as well. એક એવી ફિલ્ડ જે મેલ ડોમિનેટિંગ એરિયા છે એની અંદર હાઉ દે આર વિનિંગ, હાઉ દે આર સ્ટ્રગલિંગ એન્ડ હાઉ શી ઇઝ ટ્રાઇંગ ટુ કોપ અપ ઇઝ સમથિંગ વોટ વી ડિસ્કસ. સ્ટે ટ્યુન. Hi, welcome Nikita to Gujpreneur.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for giving us time.
My pleasure.
Let's we come down from the beginning. Nikita, if you had to describe your entrepreneurial journey in one word, what would be it and why?
So, I have always said this and I will repeat this at the cost of sounding boring, but my entrepreneurial journey has been full of resilience.
Right.
So there's one very common thing that I have noticed in anyone who's made it somewhere. It's the art of being resilient, art of not giving up. When everything is against you, adjusting your sails according to the winds. So from failing my first company, Tile Bazaar, to starting Tatkal Lorry, to facing things like All India truck strikes, floods, COVID, and All India SOP change, which is standard operating procedure, which was GST, to losing an entire team, to building a fresh team, to being pregnant and being in hospital presenting our awards. What I did not do was give up. I kept going, I kept adjusting, I kept working around things, learning from my mistake, and getting things done.
Wow.
So simply put, I'm very resilient.
What was your background? What you studied and how did you come up to the mind to start the Tile Bazaar?
Okay. So I studied law from Gujarat National Law University,
Okay.
and by third year I was pretty clear that I don't want to pursue law, and it was primarily because I had a boyfriend who I wanted to marry and he was too good at what he did.
Wow.
He was the gold medalist of our batch, and so I was pretty sure कि चलो अभी दो लोग lawyer एक घर में नहीं हो सकते, तो might as well take a shift because he should not, right? And so I decided कि ठीक है, what is the next thing that I can do? The second thing, which is very much compulsory in our household, which is done by my father, is that it is compulsory to get our masters. सिर्फ अंडरग्रेड नहीं चलेगा, तो वो भी क्लैरिटी थी कि भाई मास्टर्स तो करना ही है. सो देन इट केम डाउन टू मास्टर्स किस टाइप से करें कि जो करियर एडवांसमेंट लाएगा.
Right.
So again, narrow down to two colleges, which is MICA and EDI. EDI is Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India. And so by fifth year, I was preparing for my masters. Now, Fifth year was 2015, which was essentially the time in India जहाँ e-commerce was booming. जब e-commerce boom हो रहा था तो सब कुछ ही ऑनलाइन बिक रहा था. Zomato था, Flipkart था, घर तक ऑनलाइन बिक रहे थे on housing.com, right? And that is when it felt like कि यार सब कुछ ही ऑनलाइन बिक रहा है तो टाइल्स क्यों नहीं ऑनलाइन बिक रहा है. That was my thought. Now why did tiles come to my head was because my father is a brand consultant in tiles. Okay. And so that is the next best thing I knew apart from studying law. I was 22 at this time, तो वही आता था. मैंने जिंदगी भर पढ़ाई करी है या फिर टाइल्स की फैक्ट्री में जाके टाइल्स कैसे बनते हैं वो देखा. So this was 2015. I got through EDI. So everything just came together. EDI came together, left law, had little bit knowledge of tiles, कैसे बनता है. And then on doing upon, some research, I was able to conclude that India at that point in time was the third largest producer of tiles in the world. Now we are second largest producer of tiles in the world. And of that, approximately 85 to 90% is produced in Morbi, which is a small town near Rajkot.
I think very rich in terms of the transaction of the business what they do.
Yes, I think 2012 ka data says that they were the highest per capita income of the country. This was 2012 is what I heard. So basically सब साथ में आने लगा and I felt कि ठीक है टाइल भी ऑनलाइन बेचते हैं. And that is how Tile Bazaar came in picture with a very simple thought कि B2C tiles बेचेंगे because what everyone was doing was aggregating things. I thought कि सब aggregated एक जगह पे मिल रहा है तो dispatch करना कितना डिफिकल्ट होगा. सिर्फ वेबसाइट एकदम सुंदर सी वेबसाइट बनाएंगे, सारे प्रोडक्ट डाल देंगे, प्राइजेस डाल देंगे, सब बिक जाएगा. And that was very simple, a very naive thought that a 23-year-old could have. Which was supported by my younger brother who was 17 at that time.
Okay.
Trying to get into a engineering college, and that was how Tile Bazaar started in 2015.
Thought to do a business when you already were into the law profession,
and he was
which is considered as most, trusted and very strict environment kind of a law. Lawyer का image एक ऐसा होता है कि यार it's very straight. So how did the business धंधो came in your mind के नहीं यार मेरे को जॉब वॉब नहीं करनी है, मेरे को ऐसा कुछ
क्योंकि मुझे मेरी पर्सनालिटी की क्लैरिटी बहुत थी कि I cannot work under someone, and which is also with Shikhar. It could also be the way we have been raised by our parents कि we were always allowed to take our own decisions. हमें कभी रोका ही नहीं किया. और इनफैक्ट वो जॉब में है आज हमने कभी किसी से ऑर्डर्स के साथ काम नहीं किया. वी हैव ऑलवेज वर्कड विद द टॉप लेवल. इवन व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू वर्क इन GNLU इन कमिटीज, मैं डायरेक्ट VC से बात करती थी, मैं बीच में बात ही नहीं करती. एंड दिस इज व्हेन आई वाज लाइक 18 17. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, आई डोंट वांट द ब्यूरोक्रेसी. कट करके सीधा VC.
So it is also generally said that डॉक्टर के साथ डॉक्टर की शादी हो तो वो सेट अच्छा होता है. वैसा लॉयर के साथ लॉयर की शादी धंधे में सेट होती है चीजें.
मैंने देखा है कि कुछ लोगों ने किया, पर मेरा अपना सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट बहुत ज्यादा है. अभिमान इज द प्रॉब्लम. It's the problem. I know if you cross me, you will have to sit down and tell me how dare you cross me. And आज भी when I was pregnant, I had to get my father involved in the business. So it's not like कि उन्होंने decision ले लिया और मैंने मान लिया, वो आज भी नहीं होता है. Company top priority है, so you prove your point and I'll prove my point, and whichever is best will happen for the company.
So that's where the lawyer also comes in between.
I think, yeah, in a way, I didn't need the education to do it. I was just born that way. Fierce, लड़ाकू विमानी हूँ मैं वैसे भी. It's fine. I get my shit done. I don't care how.
Tile Bazaar was your first venture, as you said, right? So how did the experience, even though it ended differently and shaped the Tatkal lorry, but how was the experience of Tile Bazaar and what did it go wrong?
Okay, so Tile Bazaar से मैंने सीखा कि रिसर्च करनी चाहिए बिफोर यू लॉन्च एनीथिंग. आप प्रोडक्ट अपने लिए नहीं बना सकते, आपको प्रोडक्ट मार्केट के लिए बनाना पड़ेगा. जो धंधा आप करना चाहते हो वो धंधा खरीदने वाला भी तो होना चाहिए ना,
True.
क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है
Hmm.
इसलिए कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनेगा, राइट? तो एक सबसे पहली चीज वो सीखी थी.
Hmm.
दूसरी चीज ये सीखी थी कि सुंदर वेबसाइट बना के नहीं बिकता है,
Hmm.
आपको माल जाके बेचना पड़ेगा.
Hmm.
जस्ट बिकॉज सब कुछ ऑनलाइन है इज नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम दैट इज
True.
ऑन द ग्राउंड,
True.
है ना? यू हैव टू गो एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है.
Hmm.
हर चीज में आप टेक्नोलॉजी घुसाओगे, एआई घुसाओगे तो सोचोगे कि चल जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. इन द रियल वर्ल्ड इट जस्ट डजंट वर्क दैट वे.
True.
Again, very hard hitting fact that I could learn at 22, 23.
Hmm. So when you say जहाँ पे लोगों की डिमांड है,
हाँ.
but do you think now the new generation or the new upcoming entrepreneurs would be able to put the passion into something where people are demanding and not they are wanting? Say for example, if somebody is good with technology, but the demand of that particular product is not demanding the technology,
हाँ.
right? And would be able to put the same passion?
So, इसका बहुत सिंपल है. अगर वो नहीं डालेंगे वो पैशन या नहीं समझेंगे मार्केट को या ट्रेड को तो नहीं चलेगा.
Hmm.
आपको या मुझे जाके उनको सिखाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
True.
मार्केट धंधा अपने आप थप्पड़ देके भगा देगा.
True.
विच इज व्हाट हैपेंड विद अस. क्योंकि हमें लग रहा था कि सब कुछ ऑनलाइन बिकता है तो हमने कर दिया.
Hmm.
बट हमने ये सोचा ही नहीं कि भाई ठीक है चलो सब ऑनलाइन तो कर दिया पर पहुंचेगा कैसे,
Hmm.
सर्विस कैसे देंगे.
Hmm.
मार्केट में ऑलरेडी क्रेडिट चलता है 90+ दिन का, उतना पैसा तो है ही नहीं.
Hmm.
क्योंकि ऐसा तो नहीं था कि हम फंडिंग रेज कर रहे थे और ऐसा कुछ था. खुद पापा से पैसे लेके लगाए थे, वो भी डुबा दिए.
Hmm.
तो अगेन वही सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो सीखी थी टाइल बाजार में was कि धंधे को समझो,
Hmm.
ट्रेड की सुनो,
Hmm.
कस्टमर बोलेगा तो सुनो,
Hmm.
which is being what we have been implementing in Tatkal Lorry also. And even though Tile Bazaar ka result was not in the way it came out, it taught us very important thing, both Shikhar and I, कि रोने से कुछ नहीं होता है.
Hmm.
Everything fails.
Yeah.
Life is not the
True.
way you want it to, right? So what is the next best thing that you can do with it?
Hmm.
That is what we did. बहुत सारा डेटा हाथ में था. So we figured out कि why did we fail?
Hmm.
How did we fail? What were the mistakes and what can we do better in the next
So maybe
thing that we do?
can I say it was not the passion of only the tile, it was passion for the business,
Yes.
which you can convert the energy into any other product or any other technology.
110%.
Becomes much easier.
Very aptly put. कि आपको और पैशन ना फेड आउट हो जाएगा.
True.
Right? Passion is not something that can continue for a very long term. What continues is discipline and consistency. Just a simple fact कि ठीक है चलो कुछ नहीं ना, आज एक कदम आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Hmm.
वो जरूरी है. अगर वो नहीं करोगे तो फिर पैशन फेड आउट हो जाता है. पैशन से जिंदगी इवेंचुअली नहीं चल सकती है.
Tell us something about Tatkal Lorry. How did it all born and how did you raise it?
Okay. So Tatkal Lorry is a product of failure.
Okay.
Yes, because Tile Bazaar did not work. We had
Right.
too much research on our hand. क्या करेंगे? अभी 22 साल के हैं, अभी इको पे भी आ गई थी. We were too young to understand कि this is part of. It was more like अरे ऐसे कैसे फेल हो गया? हमने तो इतना लगा दिया था, हमने तो पूरा जी जान झोंक दिया. How did it not work? So we could cry or we could use everything that we had on our hand to make this work. And that is where we came to the conclusion. पहले टाइल बाजार B2C था.
Okay.
फिर हम नहीं डिलीवरी कर पा रहे थे टू रिस्पेक्टिव कस्टमर्स. सो वी ट्राइड मेकिंग इट B2C.
Okay.
नाउ B2C में भी चलो वन ऑफ द वेरी डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट्स वाज हम एक मध्य प्रदेश से ऑर्डर आया था फ्रॉम अ रिमोट प्लेस. And they had ordered like a bathroom worth of tiles. I was like a dealer who was ordering with us, but हम उसको भी डिलीवरी नहीं कर पा रहे थे.
Okay.
क्योंकि there was no one in the tile industry, a transporter, who was ready to take 1.5 ton to that place.
Okay.
एक वो था डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट, और दूसरा डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट था कि चलो बड़े ऑर्डर्स नहीं कर पाएंगे, लेट्स ट्राई नियर बाय सिटीज एज बड़ौदा, अहमदाबाद, सूरत, वहां करते हैं. वहां भी एक दो ऑर्डर किया, बट इतनी सारी टूटी हुई टाइल्स, बिकॉज देयर वाज नो responsibility, there was no timeline, there was no discussion of rates used to change every time. So ये सब problems हमें आने लगी. Again, trade taught us this, है ना, किया काम तो trade ने बताया कि ऐसा होता है, and we failed. So that is where we failed कि अच्छा, tile bazaar is not a bad idea in itself. It's needed by the market. Maybe it's premature, but उससे भी बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि इतनी छोटी क्वांटिटी आप डिस्पैच कैसे कर. एंड दैट इज हाउ तत्काल लॉरी केम इन पिक्चर.
The need of your own business.
Yes. So टाइल बाजार हैज नॉट वर्क बिकॉज तत्काल लॉरी एकदम परफेक्ट नहीं है. आज भी तत्काल लॉरी परफेक्ट है, तो शायद हम टाइल बाजार को वापस रीलॉन्च कर पाए.
Okay.
Right?
So that's a opportunity you
That's of
already
course an opportunity I'm sitting on, and I'm wanting and figuring out how can we make this work. और ऐसा नहीं है कि टाइल बाजार के जैसा बहुत सारी प्रोडक्ट्स आई नहीं मार्केट में, ऐसा सब कुछ हुआ है, but everyone is facing the same issue of logistics. Now, very important change that we brought in Tatkal Lorry. In Tile Bazaar, it was me and Shikhar, my younger brother. Very limited knowledge, very limited experience, very little money. This is the mistake that we did not make in Tatkal Lorry. We decided to trust and got in partners.
Wow.
Now the partners we were very specifically clear that we want someone जो tile transportation जानता है, क्योंकि हमें तो नहीं आता. ठीक है, तो we went up to our father and we asked for help like always, which I think I don't know क्यों इसको लोग बुरा समझते हैं. Ask for help ना.
Why not?
Why not, right? So he helped us get someone. His name is Vinod Patel, and he at that point in time already had 15 years of experience
Nice.
in the tile transportation. And then we got in partners who could pour in the money. We diluted equity, but अगर मैंने equity नहीं dilute करी होती तो टाइल बाजार आज बहुत पहुंचा ही नहीं होता. तत्काल लॉरी आज वहाँ पहुंचा ही नहीं होता where it is supposed to reach.
Yeah.
So I think it was a fair decision, and this was something. That is how Tatkal Lorry was born. We have partners in Tatkal Lorry. Shikhar and I are there, but he is just a shareholder and I run the show. Obviously, my partners have now ventured out into their own things. So currently, I am running Tatkal Lorry, and it's been 9.5 great years of learning the business and surviving the business and making sure कि वो self-sustaining है, rather than burning more money.
लोग ना जनरली ऐसा बोलते हैं कि in Gujarat or maybe in India itself, at the age of 58 or 62 people generally get retired, and लोग बोलते हैं कि अब इनकी उम्र हो गई है, इनको अभी काम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. That is number one. But I always feel like the highest experience what somebody can have is at the age of 55, 58, 62.
100%, yes.
And शायद उनको operationally ना involve करके at least keeping their advices based on the experience. Maybe they are not the learner of AI, maybe they are not learner of the technology, but the experience what they have about the business.
Yeah. Unbeatable.
About how you call it, a Chanakya Niti kind of things.
100%.
That this is not the way you are doing, or this is the way you can do.
Yeah.
एक इतनी एडवाइस पूरे साल के लिए बहुत चेंज मेकर हो जाती है. And somehow then people say कि यार मैं तो family business join कर रहा हूँ, but then Papa has a different old style, or grandfather has a old style, and that's where I always tell them, the old style will always make you win if you look into the depth. The core remains same.
100%.
The format can be changed.
100%.
So that's where I really feel amazed to listen that you already have someone who's 15 years of experience into the logistics. Since logistics is also man-dominated business, how did you, cope up, or how did you, लोगों ने बोला होगा कि यार इसमें तो गाली गलोची होती है, इसमें ये होता है, and then also plus you have more than 50% women in your company.
I do.
How are you managing it? What is the secret?
Now this is the nuance जो आपको समझना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Feminism is not about नारेबाजी.
True.
Right? It is absolutely not about going out and shouting. Feminism is the change that you do on the ground. That is the first thing. Second thing is acceptance. हर इंडस्ट्री का अपना nuance होता है.
True.
वो न्यूआंस मैंने बहुत अर्ली में समझ लिया था कि इट रियली डजंट मैटर अगर वो मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे. अगर मैं जिस पोजीशन पे हूँ मैं वहां से हट गई तो इस इंडस्ट्री में वैसे भी कभी लड़कियां नहीं आ पाएगी, चीजें वैसे भी नहीं बदलेगी. तो ये मेरा धर्म है कि मैं काम करवाऊं, जैसे उनको काम करना है वैसे करवाऊं. लेकिन अगर मैं जिस पोजीशन पे हूँ वहां से बैठ के मैं लोगों को सिखाती गई, लड़कियों को लाती गई, ट्रेन करती गई, उनको बैडएस बनाती गई, गिविंग देम द पावर to deal with certain things while blocking the nonsense and the noise.
Nice.
It is very important to teach them. मेरा सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ वो आए और maybe they have to resign because of their own, but when they leave तत्काल लॉरी, they should understand what acceptance is. कि हर बार चिल्लम चोट जरूरी नहीं है, आप प्यार से बात करके भी काम करवा सकते हो. And not everything is personal. It is just how it is.
It is a business.
Yes.
Ultimately.
I'm not asking you to take nonsense or noise from the customer or the truck driver. You can strictly tell them कि आप तमीज से बात कीजिए, मैं आपकी बात सुन के सॉल्व करवाऊंगी. और वो संयम जिंदगी में बहुत जरूरी है. So that is where I understood the nuance early on, and I thought कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता भाई, I'll keep a middle level management who will take directives from me and get it done. So मेरा 3 ही हायरार्की है, एक टॉप, मिडिल और फिर there is the entire blue collar team.
Okay.
Right. So it was very much all right for me to direct them and they directing them. Right. So that helped a lot. Women brings in immense amount of discipline in an organization. So I was very clear कि आना ही पड़ेगा. And secondly, this was my opportunity also to give back to the society in a way कि मेरा जो भी लड़कियाँ आती हैं, so मेरा restriction नहीं है कि आपको ग्रेजुएट होना पड़ेगा या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट. 12th पास हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आओ लेकिन पढ़ो.
The education is important.
That is the only way we can uplift the society.
True.
As a company, what I can do is tell them आप पढ़ाई करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप छुट्टी भी लोगे एग्जाम के टाइम पे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, एग्जाम से पहले भी छुट्टी लोगे, कोई बात नहीं, हमारे पास बैकअप है, पर आप पढ़ो. अगर आपने अंडर ग्रेजुएट कर लिया, आपको पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट करनी है तो करो. हम अपने यहाँ लड़कियों को टैली की ट्रेनिंग भी देते हैं, वेयर इन वी पे द फीस, पर आप सीखो स्किल अपलिफ्टमेंट कैसे करोगे एक पर्टिकुलर जॉनर की. एंड हमारे यहाँ वी कांट हायर पीपल वर्थ 50,000 और प्लस नहीं है भाई, मेरी ताकत नहीं है.
That's how your business works.
हाँ.
That's your choice.
Because no, there's also the thing कि 50,000 people, अगर 50,000 वाले को मैं रख रही हूँ तो उसको मुझे उतना बैंडविड्थ भी देना पड़ेगा उस टाइप के, क्योंकि it's not very easy to adjust in an environment that works very much on the ground level. Right? So there is a particular criteria of people that I have to keep. Until unless I don't make sure कि वहाँ पे एक plane मैंने बना दिया है जहाँ पे they will be untouched. वो मेरी responsibility as a promoter भी है. So similar thing, these women, मेरा HO तो पूरा ही औरतें हैं, मतलब किसी लड़के को रखना भी होता है तो दे लाइक मैम आप क्या सिर्फ लड़कियाँ, मैंने बोला वो तो रहेंगी, वो मेरी नेसेसिटी है, I cannot not. In fact, I have employed in Morbi also I have 3-4 women who are learning the ins and out of the business.
While talking about this, I come to a thought. Morbi no anubhav kya ho raha? When you used to go to Morbi for Tile Bazaar or for Tatkal Lorry, since it is very a different market than how we see a sophisticated businessmen, right? They are also doing a good dhando. They are also doing ethical business too. But I'm sure Morbi has very different image outside world. How was your experience with Morbi?
So Morbi is very traditionalist and they work as a cartel. They don't let you in unless you don't have an insider. Luckily, I had an insider. And that was also, lucky से ज़्यादा वो smart move था. वो actual decision था कि भाई अभी यहीं करना, you need an insider, otherwise it will not be. Secondly, they are not very, how do I put it? They will be very nice, but it is very difficult to breach the market with them. You have to be very efficient. They're not kind if you're not efficient. They will trash you. They don't care. If things have to be gotten done on time, it doesn't matter. And the way they expect you to do it, quick. Business कर रहे हैं ना वो, उनको time pass नहीं करना है. उनको कोई नहीं चाहिए कि मेरे को कस्टमर सपोर्ट को आप डायरेक्ट करो. They don't want for bureaucracy. They want A से B हो जाना चाहिए. Right. So it was very difficult for me to learn the ladders because मैं बहुत white collar education किया हुआ है मैंने. मतलब लॉ किया, MBA किया, और देन सडनली योर पीपल लाइक नहीं, हमको तो नहीं चाहिए. यू गेट माई शिट डन. सिंपल है कि आप काम करके दो मेरा. आई डोंट केयर आप कैसे करोगी, कब करोगे. आई रियली डोंट केयर. But you, and they're not kind about it. And they don't care if on the other end it's the director. They will trash you. So you know.
It is again about the service that what they expect. कि मेरा माल है, मेरे को इधर पहुंचाना है.
और मैं पैसे दे रहा हूँ भाई. आप सर्विस इंडस्ट्री में. It's just कि देर थोड़ा बिकॉज वो एनवायरमेंट ही इतना ज्यादा बिजनेस वाला है. इट्स वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव. वी आर लुकिंग एट 1500 फैक्ट्रीज इन अ पेरिफेरी ऑफ 50 किलोमीटर्स. व्हाट इज दैट? प्लस थानगढ़, उधर और 200 फैक्ट्री है. तो उनके पास कमी नहीं है. यू आर वेरी इजीली रिप्लेसेबल. दे डोंट केयर. So why should they be kind?
I think it is same in all industry and all field. If you go in hoardings, say for example, there are not only just one brand or one company who's serving newspaper, or you take the furniture.
Yes.
So at the same time, I think understanding the crux of the need, the customer's need, and fulfilling them
100%
is going to make more sense.
Service का तो rule ही है.
And when you have often said this, कि individual पे dependency ज़्यादा नहीं रखनी चाहिए.
Yes.
And how did you crack that? The SOPs, the process in your company?
So initially, I did not understand that because नहीं था experience. Right? So I had a huge dependency on people, and that is when the first lot of people resigned initially. I have certain people are still there from जो बहुत शुरुआत से थे. आज भी वो 9 साल बाद हैं. कुछ लोग हैं वो जो आई थिंक जिनको आई थिंक मिनिमम 9 साल तो हो गए. दिस 2 एम्प्लॉयज तो ऐसे हैं जो शुरुआत से हैं. बाकी पूरा वी हैड टू चेंज द एंटायर टीम पोस्ट कोविड. वो कोविड से अभी तक है. राइट. सो तब इट वाज एक्चुअली ड्यूरिंग कोविड व्हिच वी गॉट अ चांस टू स्लो डाउन एंड फिगर थिंग्स आउट. So what I had to do was I keep rotating rules.
Okay.
That is a very simple rule that I've made कि कोई बंदा एक काम नहीं करेगा, सबको सबके काम आने चाहिए. Especially admin में मैंने ये कर दिया, तो which is very helpful. दूसरा rule is which is a very promoter minded rule कि तू अगर मुझे धमकी देगा तो मैं, और तू बोलेगा तेरे बिना काम नहीं होता है, तो मेरे को कोई दिक्कत है, मैं 4 दिन कंपनी बंद कर दूंगी. आई डोंट केयर. तू मुझे धमकी नहीं दे सकता. आई एम वेरी क्लियर अबाउट दैट. तो उसको ये नहीं, किसी गरज नहीं है मेरे को, और तू नहीं कर सकता है, तो ये कंपनी मैंने ग्राउंड अप बनाई है, मैं कर लूंगी. तेरी गरज तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं है. और अगर मैं नहीं कर पाई तो 4 दिन कंपनी बंद रहेगी. आई डोंट केयर. तू धमकी मत दे. उसका सोल्यूशन सिंपल है. यू ट्रेन एवरीवन विद रोटेशन एंड वेरी क्वाइटली कीप अपग्रेडिंग योर टेक्नोलॉजी इंटरनली. सो दिस इज समथिंग आई अंडरस्टैंड कि ट्रेड ये एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना चाहता है विथ हैवी टेक्नोलॉजी, बट मैं मेरी कंपनी में धीमे धीमे टेक्नोलॉजी इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकती हूँ. एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव बीन डूइंग एंड आई विल कंटिन्यू टू डू, which will ultimately help me in the longer run to make systems more efficient, reduce manual errors, and optimize my trips and my हम kgs पे काम करते हैं.
Yes.
So capacity optimization is what I primarily focus on. And accounts पे भी dependency कम कर दे कि सब automated कर देंगे. धीमे 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 you keep on doing it, but it has taken me a very long time to learn this truth and
definitely
understand
took
this.
I think 9 years is good enough to have your patience and give the best out to the your target audience as well.
Yes.
Tell us about how was your experience meeting Mr. Narendra Modi and talking about the vision of getting Tatkal Lorry or the transportation to all across India.
So meeting him was surreal. I think one of the most brilliant moment was he knew all of us name. Matlab,
Wow.
he knew. And there were another 3 women with me who were. He had met one of them previously also, which he remembered.
Okay.
Imagine someone being on that stature, and he remembers. Who are we? We are no one. For
Yeah,
him,
true.
we are no
Yeah,
one.
yeah,
right?
very small
हम
business.
क्या है? हम
Yeah,
कुछ
yeah.
नहीं है यार. वो प्रधानमंत्री दूसरे देशों के प्रधानमंत्री से मिलता है. वो उनको कौन है हम? But उनको याद था, and he had a beautiful input to give on all of us. Now, the most interesting input that he asked me to give was कि how can we bring in rail transportation in Morbi? And he asked me to give a DPR about it, which of course I couldn't because life happened post that with me and I couldn't do it. I will someday, hopefully. But meeting him was a absolutely learning experience. Ki, I'll tell you a very short thing which my दादाजी had told me. He said, निकिता बरगद का पेड़ देखा है? वो जितना बड़ा होता है उसकी जड़ें उतनी नीचे जाती हैं और वो उतने ज़्यादा लोगों को छाव देता है. And that embodied for me his presence and his way of talking to each one of us embodied that. And that is the learning I'm going to take for a lifetime ahead, to be maybe not try and be humble, just embody that कि यार याद रखना अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है. और थॉट जेन्युइन इनपुट देना कि ये प्रॉब्लम है, तुम बताओ कैसे कर सकते हैं. This is the line that we are trying to draw, but we have not been able to. Could you give us some input? Who says that? What is his need to tell me all this? Nothing. But he did.
How do you find a system or people surrounded by you? I mean, surrounded near to you, wherein Gujarat is always talking about dhando. Okay,
Yes.
Gujarat is always. We generally meet and we say "Shu chale navu," right?
Yeah.
That's what we generally ask, or
Yes.
how's the business going? And the surrounding is always being into the dhando.
Yes.
Do you feel that okay, this is too much, or no, this is helpful, or how is your take on the government subsidies or government inputs or the supporters, or how is Gujarat shaping you to be a best in a business?
So Gujarat as a state has helped me a lot. Matlab, I don't think anyone, probably there are, I think Karnataka government, I know for a fact, is very
Right.
supportive of student startup initiatives. So I was a student startup.
Right.
2015, 2016, 2017 मैं पढ़ रही थी, तो इसलिए मेरे को स्टूडेंट स्टार्टअप इनिशिएटिव, सो वो बहुत सपोर्ट मिलता है. दे ऑफ कोर्स गिव यू अ कम्युनिटी. नाउ इट्स नॉट टू मच बिकॉज द टॉक्स आर नॉट अबाउट कि तुम्हारा टर्नओवर कितना है. एवरीबॉडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रॉफिट कितना है,
या घर कितना ले जा रहे हो,
घर कितना ले जा रहे हो, विच इज व्हाट इट इज. राइट, गुजराती
True.
से ना कि भाई एक लगाओ तो एक नफा होना,
एक होना चाहिए,
एक गुना होना चाहिए. सिंपल है, राइट. दैट एब्सोल्युटली पुट्स यू ऑन द राइट पाथ जो बिजनेस का होना चाहिए. वन दैट एंड अ प्रमोटर माइंडसेट आप गुजरात जैसा करें. सो मोरबी हैज टॉट मी दिस. इट इज सच अ होलसम प्रमोटर माइंडसेट. मतलब हर फैक्ट्री में दे हैव क्वार्टर्स, दे हैव फूड, कुक ऑन द फैक्ट्री. कितना अच्छा थॉट है यार कि जो आप क्या रह रहे हैं उनको आप खाना दे रहे हो, रहने की जगह दे रहे हो, वॉशरूम्स दे रहे हो.
एसेंशियल्स,
वेरी बेसिक, हमें बहुत बेसिक लगेगी पर उनके लिए नीड है ये. और सारा कम बेयर करती है. ये चीज मैंने सीखी. मैं जितनी व्हाइट कॉलर से आई थी और कैपिटलिस्ट माइंडसेट होता मेरा, तो अगर मैं किसी और इंडस्ट्री में होती तो मैं कभी ये सोशलिस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ही नहीं होती कि आपको उन लोगों के साथ लेके चलना चाहिए जो आपके साथ खड़े हैं. आज AGL करके कंपनी है, दे हैव मल्टीपल प्रमोटर्स, उनके मल्टीपल प्रमोटर्स. और कमलेश भाई आज सबको साथ लेके चल रहे. एक आदमी 100 लोगों को साथ लेके चल रहा है.
I think that's how Gujarat has always been known for, not ditching out somebody, but very easily यार मैं बड़ा हो रहा हूँ, मैं मेरे साथ में
लेके बड़ा
लोगों को
हो. मतलब ये थॉट नहीं सीखने मिलेगा.
Yeah.
और ये बहुत जरूरी थॉट है एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बड़ा करने में कि आप सबको साथ लेके बढ़े.
कैसे जाओगे? True.
सो व्हेन यू से कि धंधों में क्या नया चल रहा है, इट इज ऑल्सो नया. ये सीखने मिलता है हर बार यू टॉक टू समवन. एंड इट इज नॉट अबाउट strategies.
Yeah.
And it is not about marketing, it is about becoming a better person. How do you become loyal? How do you become, how do you act as a responsible promoter? How do you grow your team? आपके साथ जो 4 लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, आज उनको भी तो बड़ा होना चाहिए ना. Otherwise, as an entrepreneur, अगर तुम खुद अकेले अकेले जा रहे हो, तो I don't think you're an entrepreneur. That's a very personal opinion of mine.
But
मैं वो होल्ड नहीं करती. But कोई एक आदमी भले एक यहाँ पर चाय की दुकान चला रहा है, बट उसने 4 लोग एम्प्लॉय किए, वो बढ़ रहे हैं, उनकी इनकम बढ़ रही है, वो सही आदमी.
I remember I visited one of the company in Rajkot, and उस time पे I think 2021 around I get to know that Gopal from Gopal Namkeen is the people who are having 700 team members staying in near to the factory, and they are making sure that everyone stay, food, everything is taken care by Gopal. And that's where my respect for Gopal has gone very high. That मेरे को लगता है कि यार इतने लोगों को संभाल रहा है. Similarly, it happened to me while visiting the Torrent Pharma. So noon में they all do lunch together in the canteen, and it sounds very common, but again it has been taken care nicely. आप घर में खाते हो वैसा खाना मिलता है वहाँ पे. It is not something that okay nutrition value वाले को बुला लिया, ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया, but it is the intention of somebody, the owner, that okay how I want my team to sit with me and grow with me. Very nice thought.
So हम इतना तो नहीं कर पाते तत्काल में, but definitely छोटी कंपनी है. But what we have done is हमारे यहाँ driver quarters हैं. So drivers can come, sleep, take bath, eat food.
Nice.
And we have मतलब labor quarters भी हैं. So this is what we have been able to do, and hopefully भगवान इतना दे कि हर इंसान, at least in Morbi, I do want to service them on another level, not only on just the monetary front, but to help them grow onto another level. So बहुत ambitious dream है, but I hope someday.
Yeah, definitely. What's next for Nikita Maheshwari and Tatkal Lorry, and what would be your advice to the fellow entrepreneurs, somebody who's looking at you and यार मेरे को इनके जैसा बिजनेस करना है?
Okay, so next for Tatkal Lorry is making it digitally very strong.
Okay.
So that we can get to work with industry stalwarts like Aditya Birla Group and Ultratech, because we need to upgrade ourselves for them. And essentially also help this industry take the next better step in logistics for putting Morbi on another pedestal. It needs to improve. And maybe if I can play a very small role in that with the help of technology, I would want to take that shot. Very simple goal, बहुत कोई heavy goal नहीं है. Self-sustaining हम हो गए हैं. But I do want to pay off my loan, bank loan. A very small thing again, but I do want to do that. So small steps, very simple steps. Only 3-year goal है अभी ये.
Nice.
I would prefer doing that because life keeps changing, right? तो बहुत बड़े goals नहीं हैं. Achievable goals रखना चाहती हूँ.
True.
ऐसा है. So yeah, so simple acceptance है और काफ़ी clarity के साथ आगे बढ़ना है. The advice that I would give to the next generation is if you want to do something, just do it. मतलब उस क्या होगा, फेल हो जाओगे, इट्स ओके. फेल हो गए तो उसको पर्सनली लेने की जरूरत नहीं. मैं भी हुई थी. I hope me.
That's a part of.
Yeah, you might have failed at something that you
multiple times.
Right? So all of us fail. It's not personal. और अगर and it's an absolute mindset. It is not a set stone.
But fail, I think I तो always believe into कि बचपन से लोगों को ऐसा सिखा देना चाहिए that fail is what, वो नहीं हुआ, that's it.
That's it.
वो नहीं हुआ. And अगर हर चीज आपके प्लान के हिसाब से होनी थी, तो हर कोई कहीं ना कहीं अलग जगह बैठा होता, तो वो तो नहीं होना है.
100%.
And that's a part of our life.
100%.
So fail is not a negative word.
It is not.
I believe.
But I think we have brought up in a society who treats that, and especially entrepreneurs पे बहुत वो धब्बा लगता है. ओ तुम तो फेल हो गए, ओ तुम तो पैसा डुबा दे. कोई बात नहीं, कमा के भी वापस दूंगी.
Yeah, true.
तो अगर वो माइंडसेट से आगे बढ़ोगे तो इट्स ऑल राइट. सेकेंड थिंग व्हिच आई सेड वेरी इनिशियली, मेक अ प्रोडक्ट फॉर द मार्केट एंड नॉट फॉर योरसेल्फ.
True.
And third, be resilient. That is the common denominator that you will see in anyone जिससे आप इंस्पायर होते हो ना, उसकी स्टोरी उठा के पढ़ लो. वो रेजिलियंस ही कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर है कि उन्होंने छोड़ा नहीं, चलते रहे, मेहनत करते रहे, भले थके हारे, बस they showed up.
Nice.
So just show up.
Wow. Okay, let's we move on to the next quick fire round, which we are doing it for the first time on Gujpreneur. Let's make it more interesting. I'll give you two choices. You just let us know your choice and also tell us why.
I've prepared my entire life for this round.
Sounds like Karan's coffee wala
Yes.
show. I don't know.
Yes.
Making mistake in business is essential or avoidable?
Essential.
Yeah. I think we just had a talk about it.
Yes. And almost half of the
yeah,
podcast is
I am
all
sure.
about that.
How do you see competition? Healthy or distracting?
Healthy. 100%. It pushes you to do better.
Doesn't it feel like कि अरे यार इतने सारे लोग हैं, मैं नहीं करना चाहती?
क्यों? मतलब how am I supposed to get better? How will I? और अगर वो better कर सकते हैं मुझसे तो by all means they should win. But I will beat you.
Right. Wrong decisions, regret or lesson?
You take another decision and make it right.
But do you regret for it?
I don't regret anything because at some point in time I wanted to do that. So I don't regret.
Business methodologies, follow the book or make your own?
Some follow the book, some make your own, tweaks according to the requirement. कुछ fundamental rules standard रहते हैं.
Strong character or smart strategy?
Strong character.
Okay. Do you wish to explain what, how?
Character will always get you through. मतलब अगर आपकी integrity है तो आप you will make through.
Maybe
Smart
somebody-
strategies might not work out always because
Maybe-
it's smart
yeah.
to you, right?
Maybe somebody can fake out and make a strategy and go politely and then
हाँ,
take a
बिल्कुल.
different decision.
But you will falter. You have to understand कि तुमने सोचा ओहो ये तो बहुत स्मार्ट है, मैंने तो इसको फंसा लिया, मैंने तो कर लिया, मेरे तो झांसे में आ गया. But it will not sustain if you don't have a character of loyalty or integrity. It's not going to sustain. It's a shortcut. Smart strategy is a shortcut. Strong character is something that goes a long way. And it is an ethos. होना ही चाहिए. क्यों
Right.
नहीं?
Building a business, money wise or building a community?
Building a community. 100%. Legacy.
Calculated risk or going all in what you love?
Calculated risk. This is something I live by.
Thank you so much. And this one is also we are trying for the first time, which is called Fun Wrap Up. Before we wrap up, we would love to understand the business side with some fun. One Gujarati saying or belief that keeps you going.
So this is a saying that Udit had told me when we started dating. It's something that I have applied in business also. Man ho to mandvo jawai. Right?
Mandve jawai.
Mandve jawai, right? He told me this ki, acha, theek hai, if you like me, let's date. And मन मार के नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर something that then I have applied in business also कि अगर you want to try करो. It will not work out, or maybe it will work out, or
You
maybe
don't
you
know.
learn something new, right? So it's not a bad decision. Do it.
A book, quote, or podcast that deeply inspired you.
So I am not a reader, voracious reader नहीं हूँ मैं. Podcast में काफी सुनती हूँ. But there are two quotes that I live by. One is by Naval. It's a tweet rather by Naval Ravikant. It says, "Persistent beats timing. Execution beats luck. Not immediately, but eventually."
True.
And the second quote that I've always lived by is, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा रुक कर खुद से पूछे कि क्या है रज़ा तेरी. And
Very
that is from where I get my resilience.
Wow. The most tatkal or last minute decision that actually paid off.
There is not business decision I work around a lot, but the most tatkal decision was asking out Udit Vyas.
Okay.
My then boyfriend and now husband. It was a very 15 minutes decision because I was poked by my best friend ki, oh you like him, you should ask him out, and I did, and the best decision that has paid off so well.
The complete and complete this line. Being a Gujpreneur means.
Calculated risk છે તો ઇશ્ક છે, સાચો ઇશ્ક છે.
Nice. Nikita, your story is amazing. I think what we discussed must be going loud in audience and it will inspire a lot of people. We enjoyed talking to you and I'm sure your Tatkal Lori will reach out to a lot of people to inspire their story as well.
I really hope that.
To our listener, if this story is making you more sense, giving you more inspiration, make sure you follow and subscribe to the newsletters and YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.